Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you my hair, my makeup, and my outfit. The full look. I am so excited about this makeup. I think this is my favorite that I've done in a while. I know I said that about my last video, but this one is just like, oh, all fall vibes. And I am gonna be using a lot of new products, a lot of favorites, including these new Kiss Lash Couture Triple Push-Up Collection lashes, which I am wearing right now on my eyes, and I'm just like, oh, they look so pretty. So I hope you guys are excited about this video. I will link everything that I used in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. With that being said, if you want to see this full look, then let's go ahead and get started. Let's go and So to get started, I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my brows. Today I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, and I'm using the shade Dark Brown. You guys know that I love this pencil. This is honestly the easiest and fastest way for me personally to fill in my brows. I really like this shade because it just looks really nice against my skin tone, and I did go back to black if you did not notice. I honestly miss my hair so much. Like, the light hair was really nice and I was like digging it in the beginning, but then I was like, I don't feel like myself. My black hair is like part of me, and honestly, like I needed it back. So yeah, it's back and I am loving it so much. I am in desperate need of some good hair mask. So if you guys have any favorite treatments that you use or even home remedies, please let me know in the comments below. They're so dry. I did like a few hair masks this week, but even so, I still feel like it feels like stiff. So yeah, let me know. To set my brows, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Gel. It just sets them, and that's all I need them to do, is to set the brows. So brows are looking good. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to face. To moisturize my face today, I'm using my Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base, and look at this, you guys. Look at this, I am almost out of it. I do have backups already, because when I really love something, especially when it comes to skincare, I always have backups just because I know I'm gonna go through them really fast. The reason I love this product is because it just makes my face so smooth and my foundation goes on so nice. I just like to pat that into my forehead and on my T-zone, and then whatever is left over, I'll bring to the sides of my face. Wait, let's open this. Okay, I'm gonna use this for the first time. I've been seeing it on Instagram and it looks really cool in videos. I'm gonna go ahead and use this as a primer for my face. I really like this color and the fact that it has a dropper, so it just makes it easy to apply on the skin. I really love the purple one. I believe it's the Unicorn Tears. Let's give it a good shake because I feel like it's not really coming out. I need some coffee. I took a coffee break, but honestly that didn't last because I love coffee too much. I found myself being like grumpy because I wasn't having my coffee. I was drinking matcha instead, which is really good still, but there's nothing like coffee. So yeah, it's nice to have it back. This is super thick. I'm having a hard time applying it on the face. Okay, let's try this one more time. There we go. Oh my God, this feels really good. Oh, I like how it feels. It created a really thin, soft layer on my skin. So I'm hoping that my foundation just like glides on. So today we're gonna use the YSL All Hours Foundation. This is a 24-hour wear, flawless matte, full coverage, oil-free foundation. And I'm using the shade BD50, which is a perfect match to my skin tone. I'm just gonna go in and apply this on the sides of my face and buff that in with a flat foundation brush. This is one of my favorite foundations when it comes to high end because it covers pretty nicely, it's long lasting. For some reason, I just feel like my hair is so loose, so I'm gonna try and tighten it again because I just washed it today, so every time I wash it and I try and do a ponytail, it always gets super loose. So I'm going in with my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Café con Leche, and I'm gonna apply this under my eyes, a little bit on my T-zone, down the bridge of my nose, on my Cupid's bow, and on my chin, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend that in with a brush. You guys, I am obsessed with this powder. I don't know why I stopped using it because it's so good. This is the Hourglass Translucent Setting Powder, and I like to use this mainly on the center of my face with a brush. It just makes my skin look so soft and gentle and airbrushed and smooth, and that's what I want in a powder. It's also so fine, so you only need a little bit. To prime my eyelids, I'm using this Nars Tinted Smudge Proof eyeshadow base, and this is in the shade Light. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a little bit on my eyelids and blend this in with a blending brush. For eyeshadow today, I am so excited because this eye look right now is giving me life. And wait till I put my lashes on. Oh my God, literally I just can't even contain myself. This is the Colourpop Good Sport eyeshadow palette. As soon as I opened the palette, I was like, I wanna use Reckless because it's such a gorgeous color. To start off, I'm taking my Morphe M513 brush and I'm dipping it into High Hopes, which is a matte camel shade. And I'm going to work this on my crease all the way to the inner parts. I'm just gonna blend this back and forth until it's nice and diffused. I'm going back into the palette. I'm taking Hooky, how do you pronounce this? Hooky, who knows? It's this shade right here. I'm just gonna work this on my crease and I'm gonna intensify that even more. And this brush is amazing to blend colors in together. All jokes aside, I need to know, how do you pronounce this? For some reason, I feel like I'm saying it right, but it kind of sounds wrong. You know those words where you're like, wait, am I saying that correctly? I'm stretching out this shade all the way out to my tail. And I'm gonna just flick that brush and intensify it a little bit more. I'm going in with Reckless and I'm going to take my Sigma E32 brush. After you're done tapping this on your eyelids, you want to just flick the brush around and work this on the crease. I'm taking Hooky again. I'm using my MAC 239S brush and I'm going to pack this under my lower lashes. I'm just going to smoke that out and connect that with the color on the outer lids. And I'm using the shade Luscious. I'm gonna pop this color right on the inner corners of my eyes, and this is going to add the wow factor to this eye look. Do you hear me? I sound like I'm on HGTV right now. Someone has been watching way too many house flips, okay? No, never enough, never enough. Who else is addicted to HGTV? Because literally, like, same. For eyeliner, I'm using this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil, and this is in the shade 0. I'm just gonna pop this right on my waterline. So for lashes today, I am so excited because I have 6 different styles in front of me and I don't know which one I want to use because I think they're all so pretty, and you guys know that lashes are my thing. I love dramatic, I love natural, literally like every style I have. So this is the Lash Couture Triple Push-Up Collection and it comes in 6 different styles. It retails for $6.99 and you can find it at Ulta. I will link it in the description box below, the style that I will be wearing and all of the styles that I'm mentioning in the video. But these are really cool because they have a really thin band, so they're easy to apply. And not only that, they have 3 different designs in one strip, so you can see how nice and fluffy they are. I'm gonna show you guys the styles that I have, and then let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite, and then head on over to my Instagram because I'm going to be giving them away to 2 people. So make sure you check out my Instagram, Diana Chantel, for all the rules and details and all that good stuff. But we need to get on lashes. So the first style that I have here is Teddy. Then we have Camisole, which is this one right here. This one is definitely more dramatic. I would wear this one with just a thick eyeliner and a bold lip. We also have Brassiere, Corset, which are a little bit shorter. And then finally we have Bustier. This was actually very hard, but I decided to go with Teddy just because I really love how it's flared out and I think it'll look really pretty with this eye makeup. Whenever you're putting on eyelashes, I always recommend making sure that you measure them just to make sure that they're not too long for your eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. I'm just gonna place them right above my eyelashes just to see if they're too long or too short. So these are the perfect length, so I don't need to cut it. The only thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut that little bit of extra band that it came with, which is the inner and the outer parts, and that's pretty much it. There we go. For lash adhesive today, I'm taking the Kiss Lash Couture Strip Lash Adhesive, and it is a brush tip applicator, which I can appreciate just because it's easier to apply on the lash strip. It's been about 30 seconds, so the adhesive is tacky and it's also clear, so it's ready to go on. I always like to go in with my tweezer. It doesn't matter if I'm doing dramatic or natural lashes. This is the easiest way to place them, I'm telling you. So you wanna make sure you do like the, are you sure look? And then I'm gonna place them right above my lashes. Bam, and press them in. I usually don't talk when I'm putting on my eyelashes, but I'm explaining it to you guys, so I'm trying to do both at the same time. But do you see how it's nice and tacky, so it stays in place, and you can go in and take your tweezer and place it right on the inner corner and make sure that it's nice and tight to your real lashes. Wow, these look so pretty. Oh my God, I'm so excited. These are the things that make me happy, you guys. You wanna take the opposite end of your tweezer and just press it in. And then the last step, you wanna make sure you press it in together with your real lashes. Hold it in for like 2-3 seconds. Let it go, and then you're all set. Look at that. Oh, so pretty. Okay, we need to get the other one on because the glue is drying. We made the right decision with Teddy. They look perfect with this eye makeup. So let's go ahead and finish the rest of the face. I'm gonna go in with my Nars Laguna Bronzer. I am in desperate need for some definition because my face is looking really flat right now. So I'm taking this bronzer and I'm going to carve out my cheekbones, apply this on the sides of my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, and on my jawline. I'm taking this blush duo by Jouer, and this is in the shade Rose Petal. And this is super pigmented. Look at that. That was just literally one dip. So I'm gonna just dust that off and then apply this on the apples of my cheeks. On my lips today, I'm going in with this YSL Slim lipstick, and you guys, this is probably my favorite lipstick formula right now. It's so rich, pigmented, long-lasting, and opaque. Not only that, you don't even need a lip liner when you're using this lipstick because it already does such a great job by itself, so you don't necessarily need the lip liner. If you wanted to use one, you can obviously use it, but honestly, I don't feel like it's a must in this situation. But honestly, this lipstick is absolutely beautiful. I was thinking about it, and this makeup is so dramatic. I want all the attention to be on my eyes and my lips. So you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna do a low sleek pony, and that is like my go-to hairdo whenever I don't know what to do. So I'm gonna show you guys the products that I use and basically how I get that look. So I'm going in with this smoothing cream. This is by Kerastase. And I'm just gonna take this much, work it in my hands, and then just apply it only on the top part of my hair. Make sure that you bring it to the roots. The secret is always in the brush that you use. I like using this one right here by Dry Bar. And it's literally amazing, especially if you wanna do like sleek looks, or you wanna tease your hair, or you wanna do high ponies. This is literally the best for everything. I will link it in the description box below, but I'm just gonna smooth out the front, make sure all of the hair is behind my ear. There we go. And then I'm gonna make sure I brush the back of my head. Those little hairs always seem to come out. Okay, I think this looks good. Yeah, this looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and secure that with 2 hair ties, and I'm just gonna tie that just to make sure that it doesn't move and it stays in place all day. For these little hairs right here, I like to take my spoolie from my eyebrow brush and then just brush it in like that so it's nice and smooth. And then I'll go ahead and take my hairspray, spray the front, the back, the bottom. Guys, okay guys, so this is the final look. I am so in love with how this turned out. The makeup, the hair, the lips, the eyes, the lashes, everything is on point. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you end up recreating this eye look or wearing anything that I mentioned in this video, please tag me on social media so I can repost your picture. And with that being said, I will see you all in the next one very soon. Bye.